Shirakawa-go, Japan. A step back in time. Imagine walking through a village where every home looks like a storybook illustration, with roofs thatched in the traditional gasho-zukuri style, angled perfectly to shed snow from the heavy winters. Shirakawa-go, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is nestled in Japan's Gifu Prefecture and gives you the rare chance to step back in time and experience traditional Japanese living. The houses here have withstood the test of centuries, and they're still inhabited by families carrying on traditions that date back over 250 years. As you wander through the village, you'll see that Shirakawa-go isn't just beautiful, it's a thriving example of sustainable architecture. The thickly thatched roofs aren't just picturesque, they're designed to keep the homes warm during Japan's intense winters. When you visit, you'll get a taste of these ancient techniques, along with a peaceful rural lifestyle that contrasts sharply with Japan's high-tech cities. And if you come during winter, prepare to be amazed by the landscape covered in a blanket of snow, with lights illuminating each house like a scene from a dream. There's no shortage of activities to make your trip unforgettable. Whether you're trying your hand at traditional crafts, exploring ancient shrines, or savoring local delicacies, Shirakawa-go will invite you to slow down and take it all in. Each turn reveals scenes that seem plucked right from a Japanese painting, from rice paddies to mountain backdrops. And if you're a fan of unique travel photos, the iconic viewpoint on Shiroyama Hill is a must-visit for that perfect shot of the village below. Ready to visit a place where every corner tells a story of resilience, history, and culture? In Shirakawa-go, you'll find that charm and tranquility live around every corner, just waiting to be explored.